Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm doing a different type of cooking for you all today. I'm making a cough syrup using Carrageen moss. I shared a post last night and there was a lot of interest in it. This cough syrup, I found it great if you've got a cough that's going on for weeks and just can't get rid of it, and also if you've got phlegm on your chest following a chest infection that just won't shift. This is a great little recipe, all natural ingredients in it too. Carrageen is an Irish seaweed. It's red in colour. It comes from the Irish word carrig, which means rock, referring to its natural habitat on rocky shores. Carrageen is known for its antiviral properties and is great for coughs and colds. My granny used to use it in her cooking for thickening stews and puddings, but she also used it for medicinal purposes as well. I remember getting Carrageen when I was very small whenever I had a cold. So just to go through the ingredients that's in this, we'll start off with the Carrageen. I have some here that comes in a small pack. This one was about £2.50, so it's not expensive. And I have some out of the pack here. You only need about a fistful, about 10 grams. You can see it there. It's red and beige in colour. We're also going to put in some grated ginger, some lemon and some honey. And at night time when you're having some of this, you could put a little bit of Jameson Irish whiskey in it if you like as well. So it's very easy to make. You just get your Carrageen, and because it's quite hard, we need to soak it in some cold water. So I've got 700 mils of cold water there. And I'm going to soak that in there for about 20 minutes. And then we'll continue with the recipe. My Carrageen is ready. It's nice and soft. You can see that it's expanded there as well in the water. I'm going to get the water and the Carrageen now into a saucepan. Into here I'm going to add in my ginger. It's about a 2-inch piece of ginger and I've just grated it with the skin on. It's perfectly fine. So get that all in there and stir it all together. We're going to bring this to the boil now and simmer it for half an hour, and then after that we'll be ready to add in the rest of our ingredients. This is ready now, so let's get it off the heat. I'm going to pour this through a sieve into a nice clean bowl. And get a spoon or a spatula and press the Carrageen down so you get all the liquid out of it. Into here I'm going to add in my honey. If you've got organic honey, it's better to use it. And stir it in. I'm going to leave this now to cool down completely, and once it's cooled down I'm going to add in my lemon zest and my lemon juice, and then I'll show you how to use it. This is cool enough now, so I'm going to add in the lemon juice and the lemon zest and mix it in. Just to reassure you, there isn't a taste of seaweed from this. It's actually quite pleasant, a nice taste of ginger and lemon. Give it a good mix, that's it. This will keep in the fridge for a week. Just make sure to cover it with some cling wrap. It will thicken up like a jelly, so it will need a good stir before you use it. I'd recommend 2 tablespoons for an adult, 1 for a child, a couple of times a day. There's nothing bad in this recipe, so it doesn't really matter how often you take it. You can have it in water, herbal drinks, orange juice, or you can even have it off the spoon. It's a great little recipe, one which has been used for generations, so I really hope it helps. Thanks so much for watching. See you all soon. Bye bye.